In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Bitget wallet successfully without any mistake, and how you can secure your wallet successfully. By the way, my name is Jeff Francis. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. So let's get straight to the video. The first thing you need to do is to go to Play Store. Once you're on Play Store, you search for Bitget wallet. On the search bar, you search for Bitget wallet, not just Bitget wallet. So you're going to see the app. You can see that it's installed on my phone already. You can see it here. You can see the app here. You can see that it's installed on my phone already. So I'm just going to go on and open the application so we can proceed. It says Bitget wallet Web3 trading starts here. So it says you can see the option for us to create a wallet and the option for us to import wallet. So but we are going for the option of create wallet because we want to create a Bitget wallet. So I'm just going to click on create wallet. You can see there are terms of services, please review, and just click on I agree and we continue. Then you click on create. So here it says set your pin. This password is used to verify your identity. Bitget wallet does not store your password. If lost, it cannot be retrieved, rendering the wallet unusable. Please keep your pin safe. So here we are going to input our pin. I think it's 6 digits. So input a pin that you will not forget, something that you always remember. So I'm just going to input my pin now and we continue. So here it says for us to verify our pin. So it's creating our account now. It says we are creating your wallet, fetching minute data. We are in, okay, your wallet is now ready. So you can see now wallet successfully created. So I'm just going to click on got it. So we are not done yet. You can see where it says, let me show you guys. If you look up here, you can see back up your wallet to secure your asset. This is where we are going to back up our recovery phrase to avoid losing our account, or in case we want to log in another device. You can use your recovery phrase to log in. Make sure you don't share it with anybody. So I'm just going to back up our recovery phrase. It says, attention, your phrase is equivalent to your wallet password. Transcribe your mnemonic phrase by heart or store it securely on an offline device. Store your mnemonic phrase in a safe place. Lost mnemonic phrase will result in loss of assets. So you're just going to I click on this, I acknowledge and back up mnemonic phrase. So yes, it requires us to enter our login pin. So I'm just going to enter the pin again. So now here is my mnemonic phrase. I know some of you might be zooming to see the mnemonic phrase. I'm not going to see anything. So I'm just going to make sure to write down your mnemonic phrase somewhere. It's not advisable for you to screenshot. You can just write it down somewhere, or you save it maybe in your Google Drive, your Google Docs, so that it will be safe. So I'm just going to click on backup mnemonic phrase. So here it says backup quiz. Please verify the mnemonic phrase in order. So you're here, you're just going to select it in order. The mnemonic phrase is numbered. Yeah, each phrase has its number. So here you're going to enter, like here it says number 6. I'm going to enter the mnemonic phrase in number 6. Then number 5, I'm going to enter the mnemonic phrase in number 5, and number 10, I'm going to enter the mnemonic phrase in number 10. So I'm just going to do that now and confirm and back up my mnemonic phrase. So you can see I've entered the mnemonic phrase according to each number. So I'm just going to click on confirm. You can see backup successful. So guys, this is how easy it is for you to create a Bitget wallet and also secure your wallet. Please, if you got value from this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. It gives me more energy and support to put out more content for you guys. See you guys on my next video. Bye.